Hello everybody, my name is Rocket and you're watching Rocket in Vermont. Tonight I am in Norwich at King Arthur Baking. A lot of you know King Arthur because it's a world-renowned flour company. And they also have this great baking school here. But what you may not know is that King Arthur has this hill, this beautiful hill, where sometimes they do theater productions like this. Tonight's a super special event. JAG Productions, which is jointly based in White River Junction and New York City, is celebrating the kickoff of its 7th season. Last year, JAG Productions electrified the crowd here in Norwich with a beautiful evening performance. And this year, they are back. Tonight, Britton The Sting, New York City's funk liberation band, is here to bring it. I'm not even sure what that means yet, but I came here to enjoy, to listen, to laugh, to dance, and to sweat my ass off. Not only is there going to be music and people gathering to celebrate life and culture, but also Vermont's own Babe's Bar is dishing up drinks and Munchie Rollz serving up food. So all in all, it's going to be a pretty awesome night. If you're watching this video and it's not past these dates, it is still possible for you to come and enjoy this. They will have performances next weekend and you can buy tickets here. Thank you all for watching. Remember to support the arts because that's important. Well, that was awesome. Thank you to JAG Productions, thank you to King Arthur Bakery, and thank you to Britton The Sting for killing it. That was a beautiful performance. If you want to watch next weekend, you can buy tickets here. I'm Rocket, you're watching Rocket in Vermont, and I will see you in the next video.